Hey YouTube, it's Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about Office 365 access token stealing. So, you may have seen you log into 365, it'll say, hey, do you want to stay logged in? The short answer is you shouldn't say yes, you should say no. I know it's kind of a pain because you have to log in again and then authenticate to 365. But what hackers are doing is they're basically stealing those tokens and then accessing your 365 environment. So obviously, you want to make sure you have MFA enabled on all of your accounts for 365. If you suspect that your token has been compromised, obviously change your 365 password. I'll put a link here to more information about the risk of somebody stealing your access tokens. You can also use Client Access Security Broker or CASB to restrict access to your 365 environment, so that even if somebody stole the token, they wouldn't be able to access your 365 environment without coming from whitelisted IP or whitelisted access. So anyway, that's the tip of the day. If you like this content, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Stay safe out there. Don't say, yeah, leave me logged in when you access 365. I get it. It's kind of a pain, but a little bit of pain for avoiding a lot of pain in the future, right? So stay safe out there. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you soon.